Hello, and welcome to the RC34 Wireless CarPlay Adapter Setup Guide. Before using RC34, there is one very important thing to check: whether your car supports wired Apple CarPlay. RC34 works only with cars that support wired Apple CarPlay. It does not work with Android Auto-only systems. Here is the easiest and most reliable way to check. You only need an iPhone and a Lightning cable. Connect the iPhone to the car's USB port that is normally used for CarPlay. If the Apple CarPlay screen appears within a few seconds, your car supports wired CarPlay. If Apple CarPlay does not appear, your car may not support wired CarPlay, and RC34 will not be compatible. After confirming wired CarPlay support, plug RC34 into the car's USB port. After a short moment, the RC34 system interface will appear on the screen. When you see the RC34 interface, the adapter is successfully connected to the car. Please note, only connect your phone after the RC34 interface appears. On your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Select RC34 from the list, and wireless CarPlay will connect automatically. By following these steps, RC34 will work smoothly and reliably.